how to transfer PEPE from Bitget wallet to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of PEPE token from our Bybit account. Now, first of all, open your Bybit account and tap on assets. Now tap on deposit, and now tap on deposit crypto. And as you can see from the search bar, now just type PEPE like that, and now select your token. After that, what you need to do, just select the Ethereum as a network, and now you can copy the address of your token. Now you need to go and open the Bitget wallet that you can send the token from. So what you need to do, just tap on wallet, and as you can see here, just select the, now tap on the manage crypto like that. And as you can see here, if you don't find it here, just type on it in the search bar like that. So as you can see, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is our token. So if you don't sure what is the correct token, just in the top right corner, tap on the BNB chain. Now select the Ethereum network, because the PayPath it's under the Ethereum network. Now as you can see, now we can find the right token. This is it. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now after that, what you do, just wait a few seconds to add this token to your wallet, and now you can go back to your wallet like that, as you can see, and now you can open or tap on your token, and after that tap on send. Now as you can see here in the to box, now you can paste the withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account, and the amount. Now you can type how much you want to transfer, and as you can see, this is the gas fees, and now tap on confirm. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit account. So this is also transfer PayPath from Bitget wallet to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.